curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Earth's forests are in a constant battle. Welcome to the science of deforestation and afforestation. Deforestation is the large-scale removal of trees, permanently clearing natural forests for human activities. This happens to create space for massive agriculture, cattle ranching, and expanding urban cities. Healthy forests act as a carbon sink, absorbing and safely trapping dangerous greenhouse gases. When trees are destroyed, that trapped carbon dioxide is violently released back into the atmosphere. Without deep tree roots to hold the ground together, heavy rains cause massive, destructive soil erosion. This also causes massive biodiversity loss, destroying the complex natural habitats of countless animal species. But we can fight back. Afforestation is the process of planting brand new forests on completely barren land. By planting trees where there were none, we can jumpstart massive ecological restoration. These new trees perform carbon sequestration, actively pulling dangerous pollution out of our warming atmosphere. Through photosynthesis, they use solar energy to convert that carbon into fresh, breathable oxygen. Underground, their rapidly growing roots act like a biological net, creating immediate soil stabilization. Trees also release water vapor through transpiration, helping to perfectly regulate the global water cycle. As the new forest matures, it provides a safe, complex habitat for returning wildlife to thrive. Ultimately, afforestation provides crucial climate mitigation, cooling the earth and fighting global warming. Remember, deforestation destroys habitats and releases carbon, while afforestation builds new ecosystems and cleans our air. The future of our planet is in our hands. Stay curious and plant a tree. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.